Hi guys, welcome back as we continue to explore the Italian capital Milano. And that is a great salsa in the center of Galleria Vittorio. And that's the entry of oldest and major landmark of the city. And as we walk into the mall, you can experience the significance of its existence even today in the city as a great architecture site. It has a massive roof structure that consists of two glass-vaulted arcades intersecting in an octagonal covering the streets. It was designed and built during 1960s by great Italian architect Giuseppe Mengoni and was destroyed badly during World War II. It is quite impressive to see how the intricate details of facades and roof were restored back. And as you walk through the arcade, do not forget to notice the flooring pattern. Not just the top, but also the flooring is taken into consideration by designing the pattern of mosaic tiles, which indicates different meaning of Christianity and its culture. In today's day, the Galleria consists of luxurious retailer shops, restaurants, and hotels. And as you stand at the center of the arcade, you will see all the four sides and entries of the mall. Each corner of the flooring signifies some meaning towards Christianity. It is fascinating to see that this massive landmark is right next to another landmark of Milan, the Great Cathedral. Standing right next to each other, they both have their own significance and place in the city. Every corner in the city has to offer you something as you walk along. And that's the main public gallery for paintings in Milan. It has a great collection of architecture, sculpture, and other art forms in the direction of paintings and murals. It is a school of art that offers students all around the world to learn the great art and craft of antiques. And that's the Great Opera House of Milan.